Criminology Board Exam Reviewer. Traffic Operation and Accident Investigation. Traffic. It may consist of pedestrians, ridden or herded animals, vehicles, streetcars and other conveyances either singly or together while using the public way for purposes of travel. Traffic laws. They are laws which govern traffic and regulate vehicles. Traffic signs, road signs. They are signs erected at the side of the roads to provide information to road users. Rules of the road. They are the laws and the informal rules that may have developed over time to facilitate the orderly and timely flow of traffic. Right of way. It is a strip of land that is granted, through an easement or other mechanism for transportation purposes such as for a trail, driveway, rail line or highway. It is the legal right, established by usage or grant, to pass along a specific route through property belonging to another. Traffic signal, traffic light. It is a visual signal to control the flow of traffic at intersections. Highway. It is any public road. A main road, especially one connecting major town or cities. Speed limit. It is defined as the maximum, minimum or no speed limit and are normally indicated using a traffic sign. Hit and run. It is the act of causing a traffic accident and failing to stop and identify oneself afterwards. Traffic accident. It occurs when a vehicle collides with another vehicle, pedestrian, animal, road debris or other statutory obstruction such as tree or utility pole. Mary Ward. She is the world's first road traffic death including a motor vehicle. It is alleged to have occurred on August 31, 1869, when she fell out of her cousin's steam car and was run over it. Causes of traffic accidents. 1. Human factors, example, driver behavior, visual and auditory acuity, intoxication, decision-making ability and reaction speed. 2. Motor vehicle speed. 3. Driver impairment. Factors that prevent the driver at their normal level of skill. Common impairment include 1. Alcohol use. 2. Physical impairment, X. Poor eyesight. 3. Youth, teens and early 20-aged drivers have the highest incidence of both accidents and fatalities among all driving age group. 4. Old age. 5. Sleep deprivation. Fatigue. 6. Drug use, including prescription drug. 4. Road design. 5. Vehicle design and maintenance. Seat belts. Wearing seat belts reduces the risk of death by 2/3. Maintenance. A well-designed and maintained vehicle with good brakes, tires and well-adjusted suspension will be more controllable in an emergency and better equipped to avoid collision. Center of gravity. Rollovers have become common due to increased popularity of taller SUV and minivans which have a higher center of gravity than standard passenger car. Motorcycles have little protection. Skid mark. It is the mark a tire makes when a vehicle wheel stops rolling and slides or spins on the surface of the road. Skid marks are caused by rubbers deposited on the road. One form of trace evidence, when their size and shape can reveal much about the vehicle's speed and forces of acceleration or deceleration. The length of the skid mark is closely related to the vehicle's speed at the instant of braking. Measuring the marks yields an estimate of original speed. Locard exchange principle was postulated by Edmund Locard in the 20th century, which states that with contact between two items, there will be an exchange. Every contact leaves a trace. Everywhere you go, you take something with you and you leave something behind. Skid marks are divided into acceleration marks, created on acceleration if the engine provides more power that the tire can transmit. Braking marks, if the brakes lock up and cause the tire to slide. Yaw marks, if the tire slides sideways. RA 4136. Land Transportation and Traffic Code of the Philippines. Coefficient of friction. It is a dimensionless scalar value which describes the ratio of the force of friction between two bodies and the force pressing them together. Rail adhesion. Grip wheels of a train have on the rails. Split friction. It is a dangerous condition arising due to varying friction on either side of a car. Road texture. They affects the interaction of tires and the driving surface. Profilograph. It is a device used to measure pavement surface roughness. TRIBOMETER. It is an instrument that measures friction on a surface. Traffic waves. Stop waves. Traffic shocks. They are traveling disturbances in the distribution of cars on a highway. Traffic flow. It is the total number of vehicles passing a given point in a given time. Traffic flow is expressed as vehicle per hour. Traffic congestion. Traffic jam. It is a condition on roads, streets or highways that occurs as use increases. Characteristics of traffic congestion. 1. Slow speed of vehicles. 2. Longer travel time. 3. Increased vehicle queuing. Classical theories of traffic flow. 1. Free flow. 2. Congested traffic. 3-phase traffic theory. It is an alternative theory of traffic flow developed by Boris Kerner between 1996 and 2002. 1. Free flow. 2. Synchronized flow. 3. Wide moving jam. Pedestrian. He or she is a person traveling on foot whether walking or running. Gridlock. It is when a traffic jam so bad that no movement is possible. China, Beijing's Anjiak province. It is considered the world's worst traffic jam ever as traffic congestion stretched more than 100 kilometers including 11 days of gridlock. Brazil, Sao Paulo. It has the world's worst daily traffic jams. France. I-6 autoroute between Paris and Lyon was considered the world's longest traffic jam.